Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a little cat bracelet, and I'm going to show you how to put one of these on, and then we'll come back and we'll deal with these because these were rolled, and I don't believe we'll be able to roll them back on there. We'll probably have to use jump rings to connect them, but we'll see. Yeah, they were off of a bracelet, and this one, I don't know where it came up. I'm going to get started. And I'll come back and I'll show you how to put these on. Find the opening. And we'll put it about the center. And hope we can hold on to it. Yeah, right there. If you get the pliers just right, they don't fall out. But a lot of the times, I do not get them just right. So, that's the way it's going. Alright, well, I'll put the rest of these on, come back, and I'll show you how we're going to deal with these. I don't think we can roll it on that wire. I'm back, and these are the ones that I got off of a old bracelet that I'm going to repurpose. I got it when AC Moore was in business, so I doubt I'm going to use all of them because it'd be really busy if I did, but who knows. We've got the charms on the bracelet. Now just to get the beads on it. So we're going to open it up like we did the charms. Take one of them beads. And we're going to spread them out all over this bracelet. Try not to keep the same colors together. I'm going to put them around on the bracelet. And I'm going to do them all on the same side that the cats are on. Put a couple more on, and then I'm going to finish it out because this is just going to be a quick little video to give you an idea of different charm bracelets you can make. Like that. And I'll just keep going, and I'll get them all on there, and I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like finished. Alright. And just to show you what to do with a head pin, you would just put your bead on, or multiple beads on. You could do another bead. I don't know that I want that on this one, but, and then you take your round nose and bend it back, and then make a loop. But these are rolled down, so they're like that. So, yeah, get a little bit and show you what it looks like finished. All right, bye-bye. I'm back. I got all the beads on, and it turned out pretty. The beads don't dangle as long, but the cats are small, so it worked out. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end and liking and subscribing. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.